Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're looking at the Nokia 5310, a modern refresh of a classic that blends nostalgia with today's technology. If you're a fan of physical keypads, long battery life, and a phone that doesn't distract you with endless notifications, this might be the perfect device for you. Starting with the features, the Nokia 5310 keeps things simple yet functional. It comes with a dual SIM option, a wireless FM radio, and a dedicated MP3 player. The front-facing stereo speakers make it ideal for those who love listening to music without needing external devices. It has a clear and bright display that's easy to read in different lighting conditions. The phone supports 4G connectivity, meaning you get better call quality and faster internet browsing compared to older feature phones. Battery life is one of its biggest strengths, lasting days on a single charge, making it a great backup phone or even a primary device for those who prefer minimal distractions. The camera is basic but does the job for quick snapshots. Moving to the exterior, the Nokia 5310 stays true to its roots with a compact and lightweight design that fits comfortably in the hand. The physical keypad provides a satisfying typing experience, bringing back the feel of old-school texting. The phone's plastic build makes it durable enough to handle daily wear and tear. It comes in classic color combinations that highlight its retro appeal while maintaining a modern touch. The dedicated music control buttons on the side allow easy playback control without having to navigate through menus. In conclusion, the Nokia 5310 is a simple yet practical phone for those who want to disconnect from smartphone distractions without completely losing modern conveniences like 4G and music playback. It's a reliable option for those looking for a backup phone, a music-focused device, or just a nostalgic throwback. While it won't replace a smartphone for most people, it serves its purpose well. Let me know what you think about the Nokia 5310 in the comments. Would you use this as your main phone or a secondary device? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more phone reviews here on FK iPhone.